Alright, so I'm out here rechecking the 0 on my 308. This, at once upon a time, started off as a Savage Model 10, and it's evolved into the nailer that you see today. Really nice rifle, shoots great. I haven't shot it in a while, so I was testing out some hand loads and rechecking the 0. So we're at 100, and I got a torso size steel target out there, out here in gorgeous South Dakota, where we have all sorts of space to shoot, miles in each direction. You could easily get a 1,000-yard shot out here. Don't be jealous. So I'm going to try to hit this steel target with, can you guess? If you said Ruger 22 Hunter version pistol, you are correct. We're going to see if this thing, how accurate this thing really is. Just out of curiosity. Let's see if we can hit a torso-sized steel target at 100 yards with a little 22 rimfire pistol. I'm going to do it sitting down. I'll try standing up maybe, if I can hit it sitting down. That's a hit. Wow, that's impressive. I cannot believe I hit that many times at 100. And I think if you're a better shot with a pistol, like I'm not, you would probably hit it with a higher percentage of success. However, I'm pretty shitty with a pistol. Let me try standing. I'll probably miss every shot. Couldn't even get one. Just tells you how not good with pistol I am. Or maybe it's just because it's at 100 yards. I don't know. I'll come up with some excuse to save my credibility. We'll do 5 more on the bench. Well, not 100%, but hey, that's pretty awesome at 100 yards. Really nice pistol. Something you could keep and hand down to your kids, your loved ones. Call it a heritage pistol, huh? That's what we could call it, heritage pistol.